Hey everyone, in this video, I'll explain to you guys how linking searches in TikTok works, and if you're new to the channel, please go down below and consider subscribing and leaving a like. So first things first, let me just open my TikTok here. Right, and let's see if I can find a post with linked searches real quick. And here's one, Dunbury. So as you can see, Dunbury is highlighted blue with a little search icon, and if you click it, it'll automatically search Dunbury in the TikTok search bar. So how do you actually do this? Well, the only one that can decide if your comment will be linked as a search is TikTok. TikTok has its own algorithms to know that this comment is the most searched one, so we'll just link this as a search. So generally, what I would recommend to do this is basically just comment something relevant to the video, something that everyone is talking about, in this case Dunbury. So if I just try and comment Dunbury over here, eventually, if the algorithm picks it up, that will be eventually linked, and that will have the blue highlight and the search icon. So yeah, in TikTok, when you're commenting, just make sure that your comment is relevant, and TikTok will handle the rest. Alright, so if you found this video useful, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button to watch all the upcoming videos, and goodbye.